Kinds of government teachers exam the MCQ bank at 1000 rupees per only. Call now. PGTRB English New Syllabus Based Full Test. 1. Which poem by Wordsworth contains the phrase, "Trailing clouds of glory do we come"? A. Tintern Abbey. B. The Prelude, Book 1. C. Immortality Ode. D. Michael. Answer. C. Immortality Ode. 2. 5 years have passed is the opening line of which poem? A. The Prelude. B. Tintern Abbey. C. Immortality. D. Ode to Duty. Answer. B. Tintern Abbey. 3. The Prelude is best described as A. A sonnet sequence. B. A dramatic monologue. C. An autobiographical epic. D. A lyric ballad. Answer. C. An autobiographical epic. 4. Which theme is dominant in Tintern Abbey? A. War and conflict. B. Urban decay. C. Nature and memory. D. Heroism. Answer. C. Nature and memory. 5. In Immortality Ode, what emotion dominates the tone of the speaker? A. Rage. B. Hope. C. Melancholy. D. Indifference. Answer. C. Melancholy. 6. Kubla Khan was composed after a dream under the influence of A. Alcohol. B. Opium. C. Fever. D. Meditation. Answer. B. Opium. 7. The phrase, "Sunless sea," appears in A. Ode to Dejection. B. Frost at Midnight. C. Kubla Khan. D. Christabel. Answer. C. Kubla Khan. 8. Which Coleridge poem is an autobiographical reflection on depression? A. Dejection, an ode. B. Kubla Khan. C. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. D. Youth and Age. Answer. A. Dejection, an ode. 9. In Dejection, an ode, Coleridge addresses A. Sarah Hutchinson. B. Dorothy Wordsworth. C. Mary Shelley. D. Anne Radcliffe. Answer. A. Sarah Hutchinson. 10. Which poetic form is used in Kubla Khan? A. Blank verse. B. Terza rima. C. Free verse. D. Irregular lyrical stanzas. Answer. D. Irregular lyrical stanzas. 11. Ode to a Nightingale explores the theme of A. Beauty of nature. B. Immortality and mortality. C. Scientific progress. D. Political revolution. Answer. B. Immortality and mortality. 12. The bird in Ode to a Nightingale symbolizes A. Danger. B. Love. C. Eternal art. D. Time. Answer. C. Eternal art. 13. Keats's use of negative capability appears in A. Endymion. B. Ode on a Grecian urn. C. Ode to a Nightingale. Keats's use of negative capability appears in A. Endymion. B. Ode on a Grecian urn. C. Ode to a Nightingale. D. Lamia. Answer. C. Ode to a Nightingale. 14. Which poet influenced Keats's sensuous imagery? A. Dryden. B. Wordsworth. C. Milton. D. Spenser. Answer. D. Spenser. 15. My heart aches, and a drowsy numbness pains, is from A. Ode on Melancholy. B. Ode to a Nightingale. C. La Belle Dame sans Merci. D. Hyperion. Answer. B. Ode to a Nightingale. 16. Ozymandias is a commentary on A. Heroic deeds. B. Religious devotion. C. Transience of power. D. Romantic love. Answer. C. Transience of power. 17. The statue in Ozymandias is found in A. Italy. B. Greece. C. Egypt. D. Babylon. Answer. C. Egypt. 18. Who narrates the story in Ozymandias? A. The traveler. B. The poet. C. The king. D. The sculptor. Answer. B. The poet, via a traveler. 19. Adonais was written in memory of A. John Keats. B. Byron. C. Wordsworth. D. Leigh Hunt. Answer. A. John Keats. 20. Adonais is modeled on A. Milton's Lycidas. B. Spenser's Protholomeon. C. Gray's Elegy. D. Pope's Dunciad. Answer. A. Milton's Lycidas. 21. Which of the following essays is based on Lamb's school days? A. New Year's Eve. B. Christ's Hospital. C. The South Sea House. D. Dream Children. Answer. B. Christ's Hospital. 22. The character, Elia, in Lamb's essays is A. Imaginary. B. A relative. C. A friend. D. A pseudonym for Lamb himself. Answer. D. A pseudonym for Lamb himself. 23. Dream Children is an example of A. Satire. B. Romantic essay. C. Personal reflection. D. Philosophical treatise. Answer. C. Personal reflection. 24. Which essay narrates Lamb's clerical experience? A. The South Sea House. B. The Superannuated Man. C. All Fool's Day. D. Imperfect Sympathies. Answer. A. The South Sea House. 25. New Year's Eve deals with A. Nostalgia. B. Celebration. C. Death and fear. D. Childbirth. Answer. C. Death and fear. 26. Hazlitt's My First Acquaintance with Poets describes A. Wordsworth and Coleridge. B. Keats and Shelley. C. Byron and Scott. D. Blake and Gray. Answer. A. Wordsworth and Coleridge. 27. Hazlitt's style is known for its A. Irony. B. Simplicity. C. Flowery diction. D. Philosophical argument. Answer. A. Irony. 28. Preface to Lyrical Ballads was published in A. 1798. B. 1800. C. 1802. D. 1810. Answer. B. 1800. 29. Wordsworth defined poetry as A. A spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. B. A mirror held up to nature. C. The best words in the best order. D. An expression of abstract ideas. Answer. A. A spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. 30. Preface to Lyrical Ballads marks the beginning of A. Classical poetry. B. Romantic criticism. C. Victorian poetry. D. Postmodernism. Answer. B. Romantic criticism. 31. Sense and Sensibility centers around the characters A. Elizabeth and Darcy. B. Fanny and Edmund. C. Eleanor and Marianne. D. Catherine and Henry. Answer. C. Eleanor and Marianne.